So today we're looking at a Silvercrest fan heater. With winter drawing in, now is the time to purchase a fan heater. This one's available from Lidl, I believe, and it has a 3-year warranty and also has the TUV rating. Now TUV rating or testing certificate means it has been tested for, it says there, user friendly quality, tested for toxic substances, field tested, it's been tested in some people's homes, and long term tested. So it's been tested over duration, hence why they give it the 3-year warranty. So this is the unit. As you can see, it's not a bad looking unit. It comes with a 1.5 metre cord. Could be, I think it's 1.5 metre. It's quite slim actually. It's quite good. So let's turn it on. Some power. So there's the display, if you can see it. Now what I'll do is I'll just turn the light off, then you can see it. He says there's nothing on it. 21. So now it's flashing. So obviously looking for a duration to put in. I'll put the light back on. I can't press the buttons, can I? So yeah, I'll try and do both. There we go. So mode on. That's it turned on now. It's not a particular timer. This unit also oscillates, has a switch to the rear. Oh no, it's the power switch actually. There we go, that's the master power switch, and you press that to get it on then. That was where the temperature is set. This is on 1 kilowatts. There's a thing here just above there, and that means 1 kilowatts. The timer obviously tells you the duration of how long it's timed for. This button here, yes. I tell you what, it kicks out some heat. Straight from the off, you can feel it. Quite a lot of power as well. There's a 90-degree swivel. There's a remote control. Here. Now, it doesn't appear to be working. True. What it says here, what do you do there? Look off, release. It's under there. Let's have a look. No. So the remote control isn't working. You could try a different battery. So this is on half power. And if you press the power button again, half power, press mode, and auto heats. Kicking out some heat anyway. We'll just stop it off playing for a second. Oh, it tells you that, look, so 25, you can bring it down, 24, 24, you just see it there, 25, you have a timer, so So 1 minute of timer. And put it on full power. So the remote's not working. Bit of a downside. I'm actually supposed to run a bit of cool air now for some strange reason. Maybe I need to. Alright, the room's 25. Obviously, this is it. 25. It reckons. So I'll put that on 30. Oh, so the bottom one's the room temperature, and the upper one's your desired temperature. So it's on 24. Now, once again, it's pumping out lots and lots of heat. Just on a 1 minute timer. You can set it for an hour, 2 hours. And then it's not going to end now. It's powered off. So that's a Silvercrest fan heater, 2000 watt, £20, available now from Lidl. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I will find out whether the remote's faulty or just needs a battery, probably a battery, and I'll keep posted. Thanks for watching now, bye.